Yo, the week is looking super green today as Bitcoin is in an increment of 2%, Ethereum 3%, and every other crypto is all green. Okay, we all know that Bitcoin and Ethereum is always on the leadership position when it comes to crypto increasing in value. Now, if you come to the top trend, we have the pancake swap, so the cakes. Okay, the cake rather, not cakes. All right, so now let's talk about how to buy cake. Okay, now if you go to your CoinMarketCap, which is where I am right now, and search on all trends, that cake have gone to an all-time high of about $40. Yeah, $44.18 all-time high, and it's currently $4.38. So, which is the market volume is about 642.12 million. And then fully diluted 3.38 million. Now the total supply is about 339 million, and then the circulating supply is 146 million. Okay, now this is what this actually means. The circulating supply is used to calculate the market cap, and then the total supply is used to calculate the fully diluted market cap, which means that once this market cap of cake gets to like about 1.1 billion or 1.2 billion, this would have doubled. This amount would have doubled. Okay, so it means that for cake to ever get back to its all-time high, it means it needs to do 10x. Okay, that is, need to increase by 10 times. All right, now if you check here, cake is a smart chain crypto, and it's the official cryptocurrency of pancakeswap. So how to buy cake? First of all, the first thing you have to do is to copy the contra ID, which I've just done right here. Then go all the way to my trust wallet. Okay, for a case of MetaMask, is actually different. So enter my passcode. Now I am in my trust wallet. This is like a demo wallet. Okay, I guess I have to choose another wallet as a demo wallet and use this. Boom. So I am in my trust wallet right now. Now click on the browser. Then for your own case, you might not see history like this. I've done some swap, that's why you're seeing my history. So you have to scroll down to DeFi and then click on pancakeswap. Now if you are doing this for the first time, you will need to connect your wallet. All right, else for a case of one who have done the swap already, the wallet automatically connects. Okay, so as you can see, my wallet is connected right here. So if I tap there, the drop down, you will see that okay, I'm actually connected on a smart chain, and you can see everything right there. So now to buy cake, now you need smart chain to buy cake. Either you're using, you need smart chain for transaction fee. So either you're using a Binance USDT, or you're using BNB or any smart chain token, but you need at least some quantity of smart chain for transaction fee. So now cake is always automatically there. Once you get to pancakeswap, it's always automatically there. All right, but in the case where it's not automatically there, you have to paste the contra ID that you copied, just like the way I did. Okay, so you can see that it's active. Then I can check it there. Okay, it's actually active right there, so I don't need to add. So what I need to do here is to enter maximum. That is if I want to use all of my BNB. Okay, 0.00050. Okay, this is how much I want to use to buy this cake. So if I tap on swap, confirm swap, boom, it will take me to the next position. So now I've just entered my amount. So if I click, this is the fee that I'll be charged. If I click on this approve, I'll successfully swap cake on my wallet. All right, probably if you're on your wallet, cake might not just appear after the swap. So what do you need to do to have cake appear on your wallet? All right, you need to tap on this button here that says add crypto. Okay, to add crypto, either you search cake, or in my own case, I'm just going to paste the contra ID so that cake will just come out. Cake crypto will just come out. So in the case where you need to search it, like if you search, why I don't normally search or cake. If I search cake, you see that other crypto will come out, and this most times can lead to confusion. You won't know which one is the original. You can see bonus cake BEP20. You can see pancakeswap cake BEP20. You can see baby cake. There are so many other crypto right there, so you don't want to search. You want to use the contra ID set by the contra ID. So that's how to successfully buy cake. Okay, so if you are talking about the selling, those that want to sell, it's still quite the same process. Okay, still quite the same process. The only difference is that this time around you are swapping from cake to smart chain. Either you're swapping to smart chain or you're swapping to USD. So yeah, so if I have some quantity of cake, I just need to just swap it here and then enter the amount, and I'll be able to swap. It's just a click-through process. So like and subscribe if you like my video. So you want to hit that subscription button right now, subscribe, and see you in my next video.